What are the differences between JSON and simplejson Python modules? I have seen many projects using simplejson module instead of JSON module from the standard library. Also, there are many different simplejson modules. Why would use these alternatives, instead of the one in the standard library?
JSON is simplejson, added to this lib. But since JSON was added in 2.6, simplejson has the advantage of working on more Python versions, 2.4+. Simplejson is also updated more frequently than Python, so if you need, or want, the latest version, it's best to use simplejson itself, if possible. A good practice, in my opinion, is to use one or the other as a fallback.
I have to disagree with the other answers. The built-in JSON library, in Python 2.7, is not necessarily slower than simplejson. It also doesn't have this annoying Unicode bug. Here is a simple benchmark. And the results on my system, Python 2.7.4, Linux 64-bit. For dumping, JSON is faster than simplejson. For loading, simplejson is faster. Since I am currently building a web service, dumps is more important, and using a standard library is always preferred. Also, JSON was not updated in the past 4 years, so I wouldn't touch it.
All of these answers aren't very helpful because they are time sensitive. After doing some research of my own, I found that simplejson is indeed faster than the built-in, if you keep it updated to the latest version. pip/easy_install wanted to install 2.3.2 on Ubuntu 12.04, but after finding out the latest simplejson version is actually 3.3.0, so I updated it, and reran the time tests. Simplejson is about 3x faster than the built-in JSON at loads. Simplejson is about 30% faster than the built-in JSON at dumps. Disclaimer. The above statements are in Python 2.7.3 and simplejson 3.3.0 with C speedups, and to make sure my answer also isn't time sensitive, you should run your own tests to check. Since it varies so much between versions, there's no easy answer that isn't time sensitive. How to tell if C speedups are enabled in simplejson? Update. I recently came across a library called json that is performing 3x faster than simplejson, with some basic tests.
I've been benchmarking JSON, simplejson and json. Json is fastest, simplejson is almost on par with json. JSON is about 10x slower than simplejson. This URL.
Just stop using